Saida, Tahir Sadıkov.
İra, Tahir emas, Tohir.
Mayli. Tohir Sadıkov.
Yo'q, Tohir kerak emas.
Tohir
Ravshan.
Sadıkov.
Ravshan Sabirov.
Tohir Sadıkov.
Boshladik. Assalomu alaykum. Yangi darsga xush kelibsiz.
Assalomu alaykum. Yaxshimisizlar?
Bu Irina. This is Irina.
Hi.
And Irina was our guest in the lesson number 20, and we were singing a song.
Yes.
And today we will be singing song together.
Together.
Again. Yana shuni aytamiz. Hooray!
Yeah.
Okay. Irina. Imperative verbs. In this video, we will be looking at different songs. But in case someone doesn't know what it means, can we just make a short revision?
Sure.
So, can you tell me any verb?
Yazmak.
Yazmak. Yazmak is
To write.
to write. Okay. So, if you want to make a instruction, command, how do you do that?
In respectful form, it will be Saida yazin.
Yazing. Okay. And in friendly?
Yoz.
Yaz. How about don't?
Yazma.
Don't write.
No.
Yazma or yazmayın.
Yes.
Okay, if you would like to know more about this topic, watch the lesson number 17. 17. darsni ko'ring. If you know this, then continue watching. We'll start looking at the songs.
Wow. Lola.
So the song number 1 is Lola Sevgingni menga ayt.
Sevgingni menga ayt.
Yeah, and the verb is already in the title.
Yes.
Right? And remember this clip with Lola?
Yes, it was very stylish.
Yeah, very popular. She was wearing a
Coat.
yeah, in the head.
And doing
Dun, dun, dun, dun. If you haven't watched the clip, go ahead and Google it on YouTube. So we won't sing the whole song. We took the part where the verb is, okay? So now we'll read the whole thing.
Okay, let's start.
Başlayımız.
Olursan
yonasan, buncha beqarorsan, hayajondamisan, ayt, sevgingni menga ayt. Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. So, ayt comes from aytmak, to tell verb.
Yes.
And just what we did with yazmak, we can say ayting, it's respectful.
Form, yes.
Ayt, which is in a song, is
Friendly.
And there's also Aydgin version. And do you know this version? Have you heard them?
Yes,
heard
I
about
heard, but I don't know. Is it respectful or friendly?
It's friendly way because and you'll see them in songs too.
Okay.
I'll show you them. I'll show you in songs. She doesn't know what songs I prepared. So
it's fries.
surprise, yes. Aytma is don't tell, and aytmayın in respectful don't tell. Okay, ready for song number 2?
Yes.
İkinci aşula.
Wow,
Yee!
my favorite.
Tohir.
Thank you, Saida.
So, Tohir and Lola, Tohir Sadıkov and Lola, they sang a popular song, Undan Nimam Kam.
Sen unukisan fakat şudur en katta derdim.
And we have a whole video with Ira, video number
20.
20 video on IBRAT FARZANDLARI. Go ahead and watch it. And so for this, we have a longer part of the song because you love this song.
Thank you.
You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Sen unukisan fakat şudur en katta derdim. Undan nimam kam. Sen unukisan fakat şundadır ondan farkım. Undan nimam kam. O'sha osmon, o'sha yurak, o'sha orzular. Lekin sening yuragingda men emasman.
And here comes our verb.
Yeah. Aytgin menga shuni, aytgin undan nimam kam. Undan nimam kam. Aytgin menga shuni, aytgin og'ir bo'lsa ham. Undan nimam kam.
undanamam. So, what do you think? Молодец.
Thank you.
Молодец.
Thank you.
Barakallah. So, what do you think? It's a friendly or respectful version?
As you said, it was friendly.
Friendly, yes.
Now
Like
I know.
ait and aitkin, the same.
Oh, okay.
So these people who are complaining, one of them is complaining, why am I not, it's not me.
Yes, yes.
They are like, they're communicating with each other as friends without respect. So as again, it's the same structure here. We take aitmak, it either becomes ait or aitkin, right? In the friendly version. Okay, we have other songs. We have 6 songs for today. And before we move on, I would like just to ask our subscribers if this makes any sense. And if it does make sense, press like bossing. Oops. And again, I used imperative verb.
Yeah.
Like bossing. İzohlarda yazing. This is classical imperative form. And we are saying yazing, bossing, because we are addressing with
Respectful form? Yes.
with respect. We can't say like boss. Yes. Okay, so üçüncü aşule ayar mısınız?
Yes.
Okay, üçüncü aşule, song number 3 is Ravshan Sabirov. And again, you see, nega again.
Again meni.
Yeah, minga.
Menga, oy.
To me, yeah? Tell me.
Nega aykın nega aykın Sözlerin yasinem yeni şöndem
Okay, and here's the verse. We don't have the full version of the song. Again, it was just for you, the Tahir and Lola song. So, the chorus is Nega aitken Sözlerin yasinem yeni şöndem Sevgi dep yüreğimge Azoblarını saldım. Okay, there are many verbs here. İşandım is also a verb. Saldım, they are past tense, but we will cover past tense soon. But I would like to focus on aitken. Again, we have aitken, the one that we just looked at. So there are lots of songs with ait or aitken because people are like, tell me, aitken. Okay, a little bit emotional today because we're like singing songs, you can't be singing songs as a robot.
Without emotions,
Nigga,
right?
aitken, nigga, aitken.
And we're singing about love.
Yes, of course.
Special.
People are like, why? Tell me why. I believed you. And I,
Trusted your words.
Yes. So this is what this whole thing is about. Okay, song number 4. And again, the same structure. Sevara. I think this is the most popular song of Sevara. Yur muhabbat ketti bu yerdan.
Yüzleri zebo Haydım nedir soramazlar
And again, the verb is in the title.
You.
Yes. And short chorus of the song.
O yüzünden nur yağdı sımsım.
Yur muhabbat kettik bu yerden. Şirin tuşlar korsun sevgilim. Yur muhabbat kettik bu yerden. Ne kıldım ben yüzleri zebo. Davamı kıyın. The whole thing, the rest of the song is very hard to sing because she's like, and we can't do that. So this part is easier. So again, yur. We have yur, right? Yurmak is to go. Yur. Ira yur.
Yur.
Yur kettik.
Yur.
Yur. And what do you think, it's friendly or respectful?
Yur?
Yes.
Friendly.
Friendly, yeah. Ira, yur.
Yur.
Yur.
Yur. Darstan keyin ketamiz.
Ketamiz.
Yuramiz.
Yur is go, and negative is
Yurma.
yurma.
Yurmayın.
Yurmayın. And also, we could also talk about bor borma, which is go there. And yurma is not like going to somewhere, it's just going. For example, a child is walking, right?
Without direction, right?
Yes. The child is walking. Yürüyaptı, oraya yürüyaptı, right? We don't say boryaptı. But bormak is with somewhere, like there's a target, a destination. So that's the difference. Okay, so far we saw in songs the form, like friendly form, and it wasn't negative, right? And in other songs I have, these are negative versions of the forms of the imperative verb.
Let's check.
What do you think? What's our next song? Who's gonna be? Who's gonna be it?
Benim.
Yes. Did you look at my slides? So benim sorama.
Sorama.
Like again, ma is meaning no, don't. Okay, so and the beginning of the song starts like la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la seni sorayman izingden boraman seni sa la la la sorama seni unutuşumni sorama meni ojiz qalbimni qiynama sensiz yashashga meni undama urinma la la la.
Wow, what a beautiful song.
It is.
Yeah.
And you see how many ma, sorama, qiynama, undama, urinma.
In every line.
Yeah, they rhyme. So soramak is to ask. Sora is ask. Sorang is you ask with respect. Sorama is don't ask, friendly. The next is so sorama, tick, qinama. What's qinama? Torture. Qina is yes, do torture. Qinang, respectfully. And qinama is don't. And undama is force. Yeah. And don't force, undang, undama, or undamang also. And urinmak is to try. Urin is try. Urinma is don't try. Yeah. We also know the song, the verb harakat. Like try.
Yes.
Harakat qil or harakat qilma. Okay, and I already showed you the next singer.
Let's check it again.
Sahar. Anvar Juraev. Meni izlama.
What is Islama?
Izlamak is search.
Search.
Don't search me. Don't search for me. Like don't look for me. And again, there's a very beautiful verse. Lala quyoshning nurlari ta ta ta ta ta ta ta ra la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la la. And then meni izlama men endi uzoqlarda meni eslama men endi orzularda meni sog'inma sog'inchlar umidlar hammasi o'tkinchi ular.
Saida zo'r qo'shiq aytasiz.
Sevaman Saharni. O'shanga men Tohirni ham sevaman. Hop, izlamoq is to search. Izlama, don't search, right? The next verb is eslama. Eslamoq is to remember, and eslama is don't remember. And sog'inma is to miss. Sog'inaman or sog'indim, right? I miss you. And sog'inma is don't miss me.
Okay.
So, as you see, there are so many examples in songs.
Beautiful songs.
Beautiful songs, right? Yeah. So, if you have troubles learning verbs, I recommend to learn songs, because songs give you lots of words, vocabulary, and verbs for sure, and lots of them are in imperative form. Let us know if this video was helpful. Like
bosing.
Izohlarda fikringizni yozing. Biz esa sizlar uchun yangi dars tayyorlaymiz. Sog' bo'ling. Xayr. Ravshan Sobirov.
Takir Sodiqov.
Ravshan Sobirov. Takir Sodiqov.